Hello, if you want to install tempered glass on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Plus, then first of all you will have to prepare a good source of light, so you will be able to see just every mess that you have on your display. Like in my case, as you can see, some pieces of the dust, but at least I don't have, the greasy marks or fingerprints. But if you have them, so you will for sure remove them. And in the most cases, you will actually receive this kind of the cleaning package. So the wet wipe, the dry one, and this dust absorb sticker. So first of all, we have to start from the wet one. And remember to prepare the good source of light, so you will be able to actually see everything that you have on your display. And that's how you can do this. You will have to just clean your screen. And right now you have to take a look on your screen. That's how it looks. It's clean, but we have to remove this wet marks. So grab this one and simply clean your screen. Okay, it looks perfect in my case, but I can recommend you to actually remove this sticker. So at the time when we are gonna actually prepare the glass, you can still find some pieces of the dust that you will have to remove like that. Don't worry, don't leave here any glue marks or something like this on your screen. You are gonna just simply remove every pieces of the dust. You can also use the duct tape if you don't have like this one in your accessories with your glass. So now grab your tempered glass and simply try to remove it from this. Okay, and hold this with your two fingers. Be sure that there's nothing on your screen. Grab it like that with your 4 fingers, and you can actually light up the screen to see how it looks. And try to put it correctly for the left and the right edge. There we go. And right now when you turn off your screen, you can actually find out that it goes like really fast. Take a look. You can even press with your finger to do this a little bit faster. And now if you have these places with this air, you will have to just remove them with your fingernail by pressing like this. You will be able to remove them. So all around. Just be patient and do it slowly. Don't hurry up. And it looks like everything is finished, so I'm gonna clean the screen. And yeah, as you can see, that's how you can properly install the glass on your iPhone 16 Plus. So that will be all. Thanks for watching, and right now please subscribe.